Welcome back. This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I was kind of messing around looking for a way to compare either radios or antennas. And I found this article. It's an old article back in 2015 about a Spektrum analyzer using the little RTL-SDR dongle. And it's called Spektrum, spelled kind of strange. I'll put the link to this article down in the first comment below this video. And here's a look at it. And then that's all there is. Just tells you a little bit about it. So I've got it running right now. It's a free download, very easy to install. And like I say, it uses the RTL-SDR dongle, which cost about $25 off of Amazon. And it's running right now. Let's see where to go. It's down here someplace. Oh, here it is. There it is. So I just happen to have my over-the-air TV antenna that I got from Antop that I tested about a week ago. So I thought, well, I'll just hook that one up and see what it does. Now, this should be receiving signals in VHF high band and UHF band, because that's where the TV signals are. Now, also, this antenna can be used for listening to FM radio. So I'm scanning from 50 megahertz to 990 megahertz. And down here, you see this cluster of signals. That's down in the FM band. So it's getting stuff from the FM band. This is in the VHF OTA TV band. So it's getting a couple of channels there. And then where most of my TV stations, over-the-air TV stations, are coming in is in this UHF band from about 450 megahertz to 750 megahertz. So you can see that it's coming in quite well. The other thing that you don't see in this Spektrum is a lot of spurious signals, because they do have filtering in that antenna to filter out unwanted signals. The other beauty of this particular program is you can take a sample and save a reference. Okay, now I've saved a reference. It's changed to dark blue, and now I can change. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the setting on the amplifier for the antenna, and it's continually scanning, and now you see the reduction in the gain or signal, and it actually looks a little cleaner. So this is a great program for testing antennas, and like this is kind of preamp, stuff like that, because it gives you this reference. Now, there's another program from the people at SDR Play for their devices that's also a Spektrum analyzer, but I don't believe, and I haven't used it maybe for like 5 seconds, I could not find this particular feature of this comparing two signals. So another thing you could do, you could compare two antennas. So you could take a scan, and then you could save that as a reference, and then change antennas, take a scan, and compare the performance of the two different antennas. Just that quick. Great little program. Again, this program works, I think, only with that RTL dongle. And the shortcoming of the RTL dongle is it's not as good as the SDR Play devices in the HF band. Oop, look at this thing that popped up. That's interesting. A little, let's see, that's about 330, 340 megahertz. I wonder what that is. Anyway, nope, now it's gone. So there was a little transmission error in that range there that the antenna let come through. Oh, there's another little spike. So the other thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to use this Spektrum analyzer function to find new signals, like the one that just popped up right here. Now it's gone. And do that with various antennas again. So I'm going to also try in a little more detail the one from the SDRP people that works with their devices, which they are broadband, so they're good from 0 to a gigahertz, where the RTL dongle is mainly 30 megahertz and above. Now there is an option, let's see if I can find it. I don't see it offhand. Again, I saw it before, but there is an option. Let me look at under setup. Here's where you can set the start and ending frequencies and the step sign. Maybe it's this up-down converter. Also, you can save your setups. Like I've got this one called UHF Band Plus. But I thought there was also an option, and I do not see it right offhand, where you could, there's an option under the RTL SDR dongle where you can change its mode and it will receive HF better in this other mode. And I thought I saw it here someplace, and I do not see it now. It might be this up-down converter. Yep, I don't see it offhand. Anyway, check it out. See what you think of it. I think it's going to be a great tool for testing antennas. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Again, I will put the link to this program, or to that article, which has a link to the program, in the first comment below this video, and I'll tag it so it always stays as the first comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.